let's say second tutorial to half part show you what happens to our video. So this one to some first one I have to create the button, and let's say functioning to create let's say here submit button at get rid of them in type is equals to submit input type is equals to submit and value is equals to submit and on click is equals to sign up this one. So let's say create sign up function, copy, sign up function are but different name because this one also create. So let's say handle submit is equals to arrow function, and let's copy and click to change the button. Let's say just handle submit function create successfully, and let's say start if password 1 is equal to compare the password to successfully password is matched and either not match. So let's say alert box password are not match. And what is the next step is the authentication for the using let's say start var and just auth is the variable and is equals to local storage dot get item and auth. In here what happens if auth is null, auth is equals to null, then auth like a array here I think is equals to array and here the curly bracket is just temporary username and password to be set. So let's say in here double quotation username is equals to just many face and password is equals to many face, and this one for the this. And what happens to in here if the password and password to be matched? So let's say just one variable to define anyone can be same in the variable for the auth in the dot filter and in the arrow function for the just e and the set the e dot username is equals to username are matched completely matched, but in the here fill the use and successfully, then if here to if condition to use the use in the here to but same variable to in the if condition to be successfully like the same any in the dot auth in the null, it means length for the 0. So let's say dot len length is equals to 0. Then auth in the set the auth in the here to set the this to auth in the anyone can be in here auth to be set. Then the username this one username and password here password word. All the condition is successfully, then set the local storage dot set item in the auth location, but in the here for the some functionality to here add for the from we JSON to store the data in the JSON format dot the parse and the parse for the set the JSON format to store in the data for the local storage, and in here to also JSON dot stringify the auth in the auth successfully, and if condition is all the successful, then else to be user success the alert box user is exist what happens here not but this cut and the in there. What is the problem? Exactly what is the problem in if condition to not the any bracket? So that's in the here bracket, and then the else part to be equals to user is exist. It means the successfully send length dot 0, then set the again to be form to username and password successfully set, and either is not length for the 0, then user is exist. So let's say save. What happens to do in there? We have no any error, it means successfully. Let's just one time to refresh and open the main thing. Let's say just mission and mission submit. User already exists. Okay, then let's say user already exists. All the condition, it means some problem with the condition. So let's say check. What happens to you here? Nothing is the problem, but just refreshing problem. So let's say same in the filter for the use and username is equals to username is successfully matched, then again to show in the user is exist or not. So and else password is not matched, and the again you have to set. So in here set to password, let's say set password set to, and save. Let's look at the browser. Just one time show you we have no any error. And let's say again this one many and many. Let's say submit to again this same name for the submit to user exist or not, show the alert box. So let's say submit and you just show the user is exist, and first time you have to show the user is successfully, and then after again I'll just enter the same value, it means successfully. Let's say again password is not match, functionality is complete or not any F, and let's say wrong password, I'll just type copy password are not matched, means successfully condition. Exactly in this video I will just show you how to work if and else condition in the React. So let's say learn for the this is the condition for password is exist and the show the password or not. So in here okay, and let's say just show in dummy password. So let's say all the handle in the handle submit. So firstly if password 1 and password 2 is completely matched, then the user is completely create, and same in the any another auth in here, but it's in there the just temporarily to refresh in the just one time to exist and to rerun your terminal, then the again the show face and many, then user just again to exist, and the again you have to rerun your terminal, then the again to your terminal can be it means auth is described like so. Thank you so much. This is the video for the login purpose is successfully complete. Thank you so much, and like and subscribe to my video, and just look at the video is in sign up is just temporary for the next. After some time I'll just show you the how to log in and log out using token JWT like. So thank you so much. And this full all code I'll just drop in my GitHub. So after some time I'll just on GitHub for this code